Hello guys, Joester here. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I have a brand new sound speaker. This is a Bluetooth speaker, extreme outdoor sound by Soundcore by Anker, and I heard so many good reviews about this speaker, so I'm really excited to show it to you guys and to put it to the test and see how it works. Let's go to the back of the box because there's a lot of information that I just mentioned it right away. 80 watts of power, so it's powerful 80-watt sound. EQ, customizable EQ with an app. So there's an app that you can download and customize the EQ. Power IQ charge out. That means that you can charge your phone. It has a built-in battery inside. Dual titanium and pure silk dome drivers. Sounds really good speakers. 20-hour playtime. Auxiliary in. 40 kilohertz extended treble up to 40 kilohertz. So we're gonna hear clear and loud and clear sound. Fully waterproof? Huh. Can I submerge this into water? I don't think so, but at least it's going to be waterproof. Carrying handle and detachable strap. That means there's a strap right here that you can hang it, use it while you're walking, maybe when you're riding your bike. And then also there's a USB Type-C connectivity. Inside the box there's a speaker, of course, and the USB Type-C cable. So let's open this up and let's see what's inside. I'm gonna do this quick. Oh, I like that there's a handle right here. I think this is like the USB Type-C cable and then instructions. Let's put them on the side. Let me pull this out. Okay, here is the strap. Very nice. Now since I have an e-bike, I'll probably be able to use this while riding. Actually, you know what? I really dislike people when riding the bikes and they're listening to the loudspeaker. Like, I don't care about what music you're listening to. You know, I want to enjoy the moment outside. So I don't really do that. I don't really like when other people, they do it. So I'm not gonna do that. But I will enjoy music while I go to the beach, or maybe when I am in a swimming pool. Right? I think that's the right moment when I'm gonna need this kind of speakers. Okay. Oh wow. Actually, I wanted a Bluetooth speaker for a while. There's so many out there. I just didn't know which one to get. But I got this from Soundcore, and it seems very promising. And the thing is, like, there's a lot of good positive reviews about this. Look at this. It looks really nice. Oh, here is with the little strap goes in, I guess. Oh, this is made very good. This is like, feels like good quality material, like some kind of metal. There it is. I just wanted to put it on to see how it actually works or looks. There it is. Oh yeah. Then we can make it longer or bigger. Man, that's good. Oh, the speaker is not even that heavy. It's kind of lightweight. Oh, it has this little thing so it won't slip. There you go. Here's the power, Bluetooth, base. Oh, it has battery. My goodness. Let me see if I can. Let me pull out my phone. Let's see if I can. Oh, I think it's this one. Yeah, there's an app. I need to download the app. Gosh, dang it. All right. So in the meantime, I'm gonna turn it off. This is the power. So plus, minus, maybe for the volume, bass, Bluetooth. I don't know what this. I'm gonna figure this out. Let's see in the back. Let's see the connectivity. Motion Boom Plus. That is the name of this device, Motion Boom Plus. Right here we have the USB Type-C, USB Type-A, and the auxiliary port. That's it. We can seal it back for the waterproof. It's very simple. Oh, wait a minute. Now over here we have little bass. Oh my goodness, they feel powerful. Yes, they feel very strong, my friends. Nice. Okay, so let me download the application and start playing with it, and I'll tell you more about it. Let's do this. Oh my God. Okay, all right. So first, I gotta say, I am so impressed with this speaker. The sound of this, oh my goodness. Let me tell you a little bit more about it, but first of all, another feature that I like is as soon as I turn it on, let me show you. Turns on and it connects like right away. 1, 2, and you're connected. That's it. That's all it takes. So you don't even have to use the app if you don't want to. It's just a matter of a few seconds and boom, it's linked to your phone. Love that. Very simple. Now, if you like that extra bass, which obviously you're gonna like, just press this button. It's light up right now. If you don't want it, just turn it off and that's it. But of course I'm gonna want it. Now obviously I'm assuming that using the extra bass is gonna run the battery out faster, but yeah, I really enjoy the bass on this little speaker. I can't believe they put so much power in this little tiny speaker. And there's some smaller ones, but dude, I'm just so impressed. Let me put some music in here. I'm telling you guys, this is freaking amazing. Oh, by the way, that light is extra. Okay, it does not come with a speaker. I just thought it would look cool in this video. Oh my God. Okay guys, let me give you a quick tour of the app because it's very simple and it's also very helpful. So as soon as you open the app, there's so many things, like you can power on or off the speaker. You can also play and pause the music if you want to. I'm gonna play it. You can also control the volume. Oh my God, the speaker is so loud. It's so nice. I love it. Let's go into Soundcore Signature. Now over here, this is where you have presets, right? Presets for the audio. My favorite one, obviously, is the Soundcore Signature. I think it sounds great. It's well balanced. It's so clear, and the bass, I love it. But if you prefer more of like a voice, you can have that. You lose a lot of bass, but the voice is very loud, pronounced. Over here, there's treble boost. Now, obviously, this sounds very loud and clear, very high too. And then there's balance, where everything is more like balanced. Honestly, I like the Soundcore Signature. It is my favorite preset. Or you can also customize your own. You can customize it, play around with the equalizer. But if you want to live the easy life and enjoy this beautiful sound of the speaker, man, just go for the Soundcore Signature. It's the way to go. Oh my God. That's the extra bass. You can just turn it off. Can you hear how flat it sounds? Man, I love that extra bass. I don't care about the battery running out. You can actually connect the power and just have it connected all the time if you want, I guess. But it has the built-in battery, which is, look at this, it's freaking amazing. So right here to charge the speaker, there's a USB Type-C, which you can use to charge the speaker, and then the USB Type-A, I'm using it to power up the light right here. There's an auxiliary port, as I mentioned before. You can connect other devices through that, and that's it. Very simple. Oh, look at this. Isn't this cool? I think the light works good right here. Look at that. Man, I love it. Let me turn it down a little bit. If you guys want to buy this speaker, I'm going to leave a link in the description of the video through Amazon. It costs $180. It's not cheap, but my God, dude, it's totally worth it. I love it. Yes. Now there's this button right here which you can use it to sync other speakers. So you can, if you have another speaker, just press that button and you can sync two speakers at the same time. So yeah, ready to party this summer. All right guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy it, and leave any comments. Love it, highly recommend it. I'm Joester, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Joester out.